In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Steam account to Battle.net account. This is a quick, one-time setup that lets your Battle.net profile recognize your Steam account, which helps with game integrations and keeps everything under one roof. Start by signing into your Battle.net account. You can do this in the Battle.net desktop app or in a web browser at account.battle.net. Use your regular Battle.net credentials, and make sure you're on the official site or the official app before you log in. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready so the sign-in goes smoothly. Once you're signed in, open your account settings. In the desktop app, click the Blizzard logo in the top left corner to open the menu, then choose Account Settings. In a browser, click your profile icon to open the drop-down, and go to Account Settings from there. On the left side, you'll see a menu Select Connections. This page is where you manage links to third-party platforms. Scroll through the list until you find Steam under the third-party platforms section. When you see it, click the Connect or Link Steam account button next to Steam. This will start the link process and may open a new tab or window. Approve the redirect to Steam's login page. If your browser is blocking pop-ups, allow the pop-up so the login page can open. On the Steam page, sign in with your Steam credentials. If you're already signed into a different Steam account in your browser, make sure you switch to the correct one before you continue. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested. These are used to verify your account and enable the link between the two services. When you're ready, click Continue or Authorize to confirm. You'll be redirected back to Battle.net automatically. Look for the confirmation banner or success message, and then verify that Steam now shows as connected in your connections list with your account details visible. If you don't see the success confirmation right away, refresh the page and check again. That's it, your Steam account is now linked to your Battle.net account, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.